cool trick that you can use in a lot of the different dances. You can use it in two-step, you can use it in West Coast swing, you can use it in polka, you can use it in East Coast swing, you can use it in a lot of different dances. So it's called wrist clips. Some people call them illusion turns. So we either call them wrist clips or illusion turns. Let me show you what this looks like. We're gonna have Rose start over here, and we're just going to turn her a lot. Now it looks like we're doing all this stuff where I'm switching hands and all that stuff. It is actually not as complicated as it looks. So I'm gonna break it down for you. Here's what is really happening in this video. It's gonna look nothing like what we just did, but for the most part, I am just turning her with one hand, okay? It looks like I'm doing a bunch of different stuff, but really all that's happening is I'm turning her with one hand. So we're gonna break this down. I've got my right hand connected to her right hand. I have my left hand connected to her left. And you'll notice that right hand is over left. Now, if I turn her with both hands until her hands come to here, what I've really done is I've begun to turn her with the right hand. This hand is gonna go in kind of in a halo, a circle around her head. If you watch my left hand, however, it's gonna go over top to where here, there's gonna be a moment where it locks into place and I just kind of skip to here. I'm still rotating that right hand around her head, but I'm just briefly kind of tracking. So if you take the left hand out, this is still happening, but it looks like I'm doing a lot of stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you again from this angle so that you can just see the hand. So from here, my right hand is working over top of her head. My left hand is now gonna go over top of my right. It's gonna clip the wrist, which means it's just gonna kind of briefly let go. From here to there, from here to there, from here to there. And if you learn to do that fast enough, it begins to look kind of cool, like we're switching hands. Now you can use that in West Coast swing or in two-step or East Coast swing or even salsa or a lot of different things. So if we're dancing West Coast swing, all I want to do is go from here. Maybe I do a hand change to get that right hand, ask for that left hand underneath. I can finish here, and I can finish in a lot of different hand holds and so on and so forth. So those are called wrist clips or illusion turns. If you guys have any questions, just comment below, or you can actually email me at anthony@countrydancehouston.com.